In today's fast-moving digital world, building a successful online store takes more than just a good idea or a stroke of luck. It takes a strategy that actually delivers. And today we're reliving what the top dropshippers don't want you to know, the proven tips they're using right now, and the one tool that can help you turn that strategy into real repeatable results. If you're tired of guessworking, tired of spinning your wheels and ready to finally scale businesses that last, then stick around. Let's dive in. So what exactly is an e-commerce growth strategy and why does it matter? Simply put, it's a clear plan designed to boost your store's performance not just by driving more traffic, but by turning visitors into real sales. Growth isn't just about traffic. Traffic doesn't pay the bills. Conversions do. A strong strategy optimizes everything from product choice to customer experience, making your growth sustainable and scalable. Whether you're a solo dropshipper or managing hundreds of products, success isn't just what you sell, it's how you scale it. With the right strategy, powered by data, automation, and an exceptional customer experience, you don't just grow, you scale with confidence. Now, let's dive into the proven steps that will help you scale smarter and sell faster. First, start with strategic market positioning. Every successful store begins with one simple truth. You need to deeply understand your customers. This means going beyond basic demographics like age, gender, or location. You must uncover what truly motivates them to buy. What problems are they facing? What questions do they ask before hitting that buy now? Here's how to clarify your market positioning. Analyze what your target audience is searching for on platforms like Google, TikTok, and Instagram to spot emerging interests and trends. Study your competitors. Closely identify gaps in their product offerings or customer experience that you can fill. Use tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, and keywords research tools to validate real demand and spot seasonal patterns. Define a clear value proposition that differentiates your store, whether it's price, quality, unique features, or superior service. Test different messaging and product angles through small ad campaigns or social media posts to see what resonates most with your audience. Strategic market positioning is about aligning your products and messaging with real customer needs. So you're not just selling, but truly solving the problems and standing out in a crowded market. 2. Build a storefront that converts. Your website is your first impression, and in e-commerce, first impressions decide everything. To turn visitors into buyers, top-performing stores focus on the following. Mobile-first design. Over 70% of shoppers are on their phones. Clear visual flow. Clean layouts, quality images, simple copy, and strong calls to action. Transparent policies, clear info on shipping, returns, and support. That builds trust fast. Fast load times and simple checkout. Every second matters. Friction kills sales. But what if you're new and building all this feels overwhelming? That's where Doba AI Store Builder comes in. Think of it as your smart assistant that walks you through the Shopify setup step by step. Just log in into Doba, head into the AI Tool Hub, and click AI Store Builder. Choose your platform, pick your niche, select a cover theme and banner style, and that's it. In just minutes, Doba's AI will generate your store layout, apply the branding, and set up the structure automatically. Just like that, you've got a clean, professional-looking storefront ready to go. Doba AI doesn't just help you build a store, it helps you build a smart foundation for long-term success. 3. Automate the operations and scale smarter. Let's face it, manually updating listings, tracking stock, and chasing suppliers gets old fast. As your business grows, so do the moving parts. That's why smart automation is a key if you want to scale without burning out. Here's what you should be focusing on. Streamline product uploads with one click. Import and publishing tools. Use real-time inventory sync to prevent overselling. Automate order routing and customer notifications to speed up fulfillment and improve experience. If you're using Doba, automation is already built in from sourcing to publishing to fulfillment, helping you scale with far less manual work. The result? You can scale from 10 to 10,000 products without hiring a giant team or getting buried in the spreadsheets. 4. Create content that builds trust and drives traffic. We've all heard it, content is a king, and in e-commerce, it's your most powerful tool for building trust, increasing visibility, and driving conversions. You're not just selling products, you're selling confidence. So what content actually works? Short-form videos. Show your product in action. TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts are powerful traffic magnets. Tutorials and guides. Educate while you sell. A video or guide like how to pick the right hiking backpack builds authority and positions your product as the solution. A long-tail SEO content answers specific search queries like eco-friendly dog toys under $30 or best minimalistic home gifts. Even a simple blog section can bring in ready-to-buy visitors over time. Real customer reviews. Social proof builds instant credibility. Showcase authentic experiences and user-generated content. The bottom line? Great content attracts the right audience, builds trust, and sets the stage for conversion before they even hit at the cart. And once you've got all the traffic and trust, here's only one smart way forward. Let data lead the way. 5. Let data drive every decision. Every click, every order, every abandoned cart, it's all trying to tell you something. The question is, are you listening? Top e-commerce brands don't guess. They use insights to make smart moves. Here are the key numbers to watch. Which products are trending right now? Which suppliers are the top rated? Doba works with over 1,000 vetted reliable suppliers. A real-time inventory sync to avoid overselling. How long orders take from sale to shipment? If you're using Doba, these insights come built in, all in one easy-to-read dashboard. Here's one quick tip for you. Check your numbers every week, spot problems early, fix them fast, and keep things running smooth. When you follow the data, you're not just reacting, you're always one step ahead. 6. Diversify sales channels and fulfillment. Putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. Smart sellers think multi-channel and multi-region from day one. Here's how to do it. Don't sell on just one platform. Expand your reach to marketplaces like Shopify, Amazon, TikTok, and Temu. More platforms mean more customers and less risk. Offer a focused range of products. Diversify within related niches you understand well, like seasonal gear, home improvement, or pet care, to attract different customer segments without losing focus. Automate order and inventory management. Sync your listings and stock across platforms to avoid overselling and keep fulfillment smooth. If you're not sure how, manage multiple stores and keep everything synchronized, tools like Doba can help. It lets you connect Shopify, Amazon, TikTok, and Temu stores all in one place. With access to over 1,000 vetted suppliers and real-time inventory updates, Doba makes it easy to handle orders, stock, and fulfillment across all your channels, so you can grow without the usual headaches. 7. Win the customer experience. Your product might get the sale, but the experience is what keeps customers coming back. Top brands know loyalty starts after checkout. So, how do you create an experience that lasts? Simple return policies. Make returns easy and hassle-free. Clear delivery times. Be honest and consistent. Do not overpromise. Automated post-purchase follow-up. Send order updates, ask for reviews, or recommend related products. All personalized to your customer. This is important. Your customers will feel seen. Loyalty programs. Reward repeat buyers with discounts, early access, or exclusive offers. Make them feel special. The result? Fewer complaints, more 5-star reviews, and a reputation that grows stronger over time. 8. Think long-term. Build brand equity. Quick sales get you in the game, but brand equity wins you the game for good. That means the following. Build a community, not just a customer list. Tell purpose-driven stories that truly resonate. Keep your messaging consistent across all platforms. With Doba, handling your inventory, orders, and fulfillment, you get the freedom to focus on your brand's voice, values, and vision, not just the logistics or the chaos. Brand equity isn't built overnight, but with focus on the right tools, it becomes your biggest competitive advantage. Remember, success in e-commerce isn't about juggling 100 random tactics. It's about having one strong system and sticking with it. And here's the best part, you don't have to do it alone. Doba is here to be your partner every step of the way, with powerful tools, trusted suppliers, and support that helps you grow smarter, not harder. Ready to get started? Try Doba today with a 2-week trial for just 99 cents. No catch, just everything you need to build and scale your store confidently. Thanks for watching. Now, go build the brand your customers will never forget. See you next time.